Slot milling, the hidden hero of manufacturing. Everywhere, essential, often overlooked. Look around any machine shop. You'll see slots everywhere. T-slots on work tables, keyways on shafts, guide slots on precision parts. Slot milling is one of the most common yet essential machining operations. It makes assembly possible. It guides components. It creates fluid pathways. So, what makes slot milling so important? Let's break it down. What is slot milling? Creating channels, grooves, and slots with precision. Slot milling is exactly what it sounds like. Using a rotating cutting tool to create slots, grooves, or channels in a workpiece. Unlike face milling, which cuts a flat surface, slot milling cuts along a path, straight, curved, open, or closed. It's versatile, precise, and used across virtually every industry. Common slot milling operations. There are several ways to mill slots, depending on what you need. End milling, versatile, for open or closed slots. T-slot milling creates T-shaped grooves for clamps and fixtures. Woodruff key slotting, curved keyways for shafts and gears. Gang milling, multiple cutters on one arbor, cutting several slots at once for high productivity. Choosing the right cutter. Different slots need different approaches. For a simple straight or curved slot, you follow the path. One tool cuts the bottom and the walls at the same time. For a T-slot, like the ones on machine tables, you do it in 2 steps. First a straight slot, then widen the bottom. For a keyway on a shaft, the slot is curved. You need a tool that matches that curve, so gears and pulleys stay aligned. And if you are making many identical slots, you can mount multiple tools on one arbor and cut them all at once. That's how you save time. The shape tells you the method. Applications across industries. Slot milling is everywhere. Automotive, keyways, guide slots, cooling channels, aerospace, weight-saving slots, airflow channels, tooling and fixtures, T-slots for clamps and work tables, electronics, microslots, vent holes, enclosures, medical, precise slots for devices and instruments. Wherever parts need to fit, slide, or connect, slot milling makes it possible. Slot milling might not be the flashiest operation, but it's one of the most essential. From automotive to aerospace, it's the process that makes parts fit and function. At WMTCNC, we build machines that deliver the rigidity and precision you need for perfect slots every time.